Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete business portfolio on Facebook. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, open the Facebook and on the left hand side, you will see a menu. You are going to click on see more and you are going to look for ads manager. Essentially, you are going to jump into your ads manager, or you can also get to the spot by going through the Meta Business Suite. Now the setup might be slightly different, but on the left hand side over here where your profile picture is, or at least is where it used to be, you can now see it's here at the top. So what you have to do is tap on this drop down. It says business portfolio here, and you are going to look for the business portfolio that you would like to remove or delete. Click on it, and to the right you will see a little menu come open. You will have the settings or the gear icon. You are going to go here and click on this, and right at the top on the left hand side you will see it says business portfolio info. You are going to go ahead and you are going to click on this and go to the right, and you will see permanently delete business. Click on it. It will give you a bit of information. You just have to tap on this delete portfolio and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete business portfolio on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.